food, drinks.
So here we are, day 2 at SCG. Again थोड़ा लेट हो गए. कार पार्क जस्ट हमारे सामने फिल हुआ, जस्ट हमारे सामने 2 गाड़ियाँ थी, जिसकी वजह से वी हैड टू टेक ऑल अराउंड एंड पार्क बिहाइंड द स्टेडियम्स एंड देन वी आर वॉकिंग. मेरा एक दोस्त पहले से अंदर है और उसने बोला कि गेट के ऊपर केओस है पूरा. आई डोंट थिंक सो, बट लाइक सिंस टुडे इज सैटरडे and it's gonna be a family day, expecting people to be turning in thousands. So I have Manoj with me, who is a fucking whitewashed Indian.
That's not true, people. That's not
I'll just like, we are outside of Sydney Cricket Ground and I'll just show you how the crowd looks like. So we're gonna be entering from the same gate. And just अभी मेरे को मनोज ने बताया, we just got the second wicket. So are you excited, Manoj?
I am so excited. I'm so pumped.
You're so pumped. So this is the first time you're watching in Sydney Cricket Ground, right?
Yeah, this is my first time.
So he is, I mean, like when he came to Australia, he's from Perth and he watched the game in Optus Stadium. So again, Gate C is not that bad, and again at Gate C, I think you need to get your bag checked, my bag checked, and I'm gonna take out the tickets. So they have Ashes there because Ashes start होने वाला है, and there are a couple of food trucks there. तो खाने के काफ़ी सारे options हैं, and I saw someone saying that Chatka's is the very famous Indian restaurant here, उसका भी restaurant है यहाँ पर. So what all Indian famous restaurants does is like they park outside whenever there is a major Indian event. So hi. Got the tickets. He's pumped up. We're gonna go from here.
I think so. First time, people.
ये व्यू तुमने कल के डे 1 में देख लिया. So we are in Bay 32.
That beat Abhi. Looks like an Indian beat. So close, bro.
Stadium is buzzing, bro. We are in 32, but like we are in 2021. It's that side. Got different eating options here, so you don't need to worry about the lunch, but it goes really quick. So that's the members pavilion there. Anyone who has the membership for SCG, they can just have their tickets there, but also you need to book out the tickets. Day 2, SCG.
So Manoj,
Yes.
just tell me, tickets. How was the tickets? I mean, like, is it good? You are just in the Indian
Best.
fan pit.
Best.
Indian
Yes.
fan pit. Just sitting next to the Indian fans.
Yes.
So, what do you say,
It's been amazing. It's been amazing. I never said
guys?
this close.
He's been sculling beer like water.
No. This is just my second beer, right?
No.
It's only been 40 minutes. I need to catch up another 3 beers in 20 minutes.
So, what
Seats
do
are
you,
amazing.
what do you reckon?
The weather is good.
So yeah, going back where we were.
Yes.
So
Stadium is almost.
no. I was asking, like, it's day 2. India, like Australia, is still trailing by 127 runs.
Oh, yes.
So 58 for 4. What do you think? What's going to happen on day 2?
100 on that. Not my
You
words.
reckon?
Not my words. 100 on that.
But the Smith
Okay.
is scary.
Smith. I can eat him as chips.
Oh,
He's nobody.
that's a good shot.
It doesn't
Good
matter.
shot, like.
Doesn't matter. 100 on that.
So
Bumrah
you
is gonna
reckon
come back with the
100
Rajab.
and India's going to lead by 87 runs. So
Probably end of the day, we might be 20, 30.
we don't have tickets for the next 2 days.
Get it, Bash. It doesn't matter whether it's blue market, black
I'll tell you guys,
white
like,
market, whatever
this
market
ticket
it is.
is super cheap. Like we paid $60 for this. Like 3,000 रुपए बनते हैं और
I can just jump across.
and get banned for lifetime. All right? And हमने 3,000 दिए हैं और इसके बाद I mean like 3,000 में काफ़ी best, मतलब this is the cheapest tickets that we have got, and you won't believe like how things have turned in BGT. Each ticket is going more than $300. So I was sitting next to this girl who had 2 extra tickets for today, and she was going rampage. She was asking $300, and he already had like 50 messages. So that's how big BGT is. Nothing happened. All right, don't exaggerate. All right, guys, see you in some time. So कुछ इस तरह की vibes हैं at lunch day 2 Sydney test. People just enjoy. I mean, they just enjoy every bit of it. So lunch हो चुका है day 2 का, and as you can see, people are enjoying, and people just come out for the lunch. Everyone comes out for the lunch, and you can see huge lines. यहाँ पर काफ़ी food trucks हैं. So I would say if you can pack lunch yourself, तो वो भी एक अच्छा option है, because what happens in Australia is like you can bring your own lunch to the ground. You can bring whatever you want, just not alcohol. You can bring your water, you can bring your energy drinks, you can, I mean, bring anything but just not smokes and alcohol. I mean, you can come out and smokes for smokes, and you can and the beer alcohol is served at the stadium. So it's a good idea if you can just pack your own lunch in the morning, and because there's going to be huge queues. Or the other option is that you come a little later after the lunch and get your some food. So it's not that crazy to get out of the stadium and have some food. I know India के अंदर काफ़ी crazy हो जाता है because of the number of people in the stadiums. Jaipur and I think there was a wicket. ऐसा कुछ आउटफिट लग रहा है, बहुत गर्मी थी कल, पूरे टैन हो चुके थे हम, 2 डिफरेंट शेड्स दिख रहे हैं पैरों के ऊपर बिकॉज ऑफ द टैन. सो आई वॉज बर्नड आउट yesterday and Manoj decided to buy me a hat. Good on him. I was like, it is super sunny and it's 33 degrees right now and this is Ashes bus tour because it's going to be women's Ashes coming up pretty soon. मनोज और निक वहाँ पर वेट कर रहे हैं हमारा. I just wanted to check out every food truck there. So